بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Let us teach with your own teacher Muhammad Ismail. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem amma ba'd. Today, table of tenses will be presented. If we read from top to bottom or column by column, then first column will be totally indefinite tense, second column will be totally continuous tense, third column will be totally perfect tense, and fourth column will be totally perfect continuous tense. If we read from left to right or horizontally, first line will be of present, second line will be of past, and third line will be of future. I hope that my motto, my position, and whatsoever I have said will be understood by you. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun wa salamun ala al mursalin walhamdulillahi rabbil alameen.